In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate AliExpress efficiently with Google so you can quickly find the help you need when using this popular online shopping platform. Whether you're a seasoned AliExpress shopper or a newcomer looking to score some great deals, having these steps at your fingertips will certainly enhance your shopping experience. Let's start with the first step, which is straightforward and familiar to most of us. Open your preferred web browser and head over to AliExpress. You can do this easily by typing AliExpress into Google's search bar and clicking on the first link or entering the URL directly into your browser. AliExpress is a vast shopping website where you can find just about anything, whether it's electronics, fashion, or home goods, so getting comfortable with navigating it is crucial. Once you've reached the AliExpress homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is go to your profile. You can usually find the profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu with several options tailored to help you manage your shopping experience. From this menu, you'll want to choose Help Center. The Help Center is a valuable resource that connects you to a wealth of information about using AliExpress, addressing common issues, and accessing customer support. Now, once you're in the Help Center, you'll notice a feature called Online Service. This is an incredibly useful tool when you need to get in touch with someone who can assist you in real time. By clicking on Online Service, you initiate contact with a live agent who can help answer questions, resolve disputes, or provide guidance on your orders. Having a real person to talk to can simplify resolving any issues you might encounter more efficiently. And just like that, you've completed the steps. The process isn't lengthy, but it is effective in ensuring you have the support you need while navigating AliExpress. It's worth remembering these steps or even bookmarking the pages you use most often, so the next time you require support, you'll have it readily available. In summary, navigating to the AliExpress Help Center and accessing the online service is a straightforward process that can make your shopping journey smoother and more enjoyable. Being able to have your questions answered quickly by an agent can alleviate stress and help you feel more confident in your purchases. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on AliExpress. Until next time, take care and remember to check back for more helpful tips and guides.